How lucky is my 2025 year starting off? Let's open my Beautylish lucky bag together. Welcome back, everyone. So today's video wasn't actually planning on filming, but my Beautylish lucky bag came in 2 days early. Are we off to a lucky start? So I wanted to open it together. So I have done Beautylish lucky bag unboxings the past several years on my channel. I don't think I did it last year. Last year was a bit of a weird year for me. I've been grabbing these and opening them for several years, and it's really the one mystery box that I'm super into. I'm not a big mystery box type of girl. I tend to like to know what I am purchasing, but if you're not familiar with Beautylish, it is a beauty retailer website, and every year at the end of December they come out with their lucky bags. So I got the original lucky bag. I paid $75 plus shipping, and you're supposed to get at least $150 worth of products from retailers that are on the website. And one of the reasons why I do the Beautylish one is they have a lot of brands on there that I haven't tried a lot of products from. So for example, Sonia G is one brand that I had never tried before until I got a Beautylish lucky bag, and one of the brushes were in there, and I was so excited about it. So that's kind of the reason I think why I can justify doing the Beautylish lucky bag every year, is usually there's a brand in there that I haven't tried. I believe I tried denona for the first time through a Beautylish lucky bag, different things like that. So like I said, we have the original lucky bag, which is $75. The lucky bag XL is $150 for $300 worth of products. I really did consider that one this year. These do tend to sell out pretty quickly, but Beautylish usually sends out, like if you've given them your email, they send it out like a week early where it says like you can get early access to the lucky bags. I always sign up for that. That way I have enough time. You get like an hour early in order to get the lucky bags. So the XL was still available. I thought about it, but in efforts of my not buying as much makeup, cutting back on my collection, I was like, let's just keep it with the regular. There's also some brand specific ones, like the Wayne Goss has a lucky bag, Jeffree Star has a lucky bag. There's also a get one give one lucky bag where you pay $150, you receive one original, and then they donate another lucky bag. So that's a little bit about it if you haven't heard of it. Again, it only happens once a year. It's at the end of December, but I'm super excited because I have no idea what's in this box. So some years I've definitely been luckier than others, but let's go ahead and see what we got in the Beautylish lucky bag. So I'll try to link all the products that I can. Also link my makeup. Honestly, I'm filming this on Sunday. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have the football game on right next to me, so if you see my eyes cutting over. But my original tracking said that this wasn't going to be in until Tuesday. So when I got it, I was like, oh, well, let's get to filming. So inside, here's what she looks like. So cute. So it says Lucky Bag 2025. You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Okay, and I like to be surprised, so I try not to look. So I'm just gonna reach in and grab. No way! I'm already pumped. I'm already pumped because I use these products and I literally just bought these from Target the other day. This is from Good Molecules and this is their Acne Patches. I truly just bought one of these at Target the other day. That is so funny. So these are ultra thin hydrocolloid patches to remove impurities and immediately conceal blemishes. I like a lot of acne patches. I do have more acne prone skin, so I find to me acne patches are great, and especially for traveling, because I do travel quite a bit. They're very easy and on the go. The ones from Good Molecules are also so invisible. There's a lot that say that they are invisible, but they're really not. But these are ones that I feel like I can go out and it's not like super obvious on my face. Even though I know that a lot of places now sell ones that are like stars, like hearts, where it's like, it's very clear that's what's on your face. And I love that. I love that we're embracing that. Acne is so normal. It is so normal. No matter what anyone on the internet wants to tell you, acne is so normal. So I love that we do things like embracing, you know what, yeah, I have a breakout and I'm trying to heal it, so I have this like star on my face. I think that's cool. But if you're looking for ones that are invisible, these are it. This is $8, so this isn't gonna add like a lot of value to the box, but because I use these so much, these are great for me. And you also get 60 patches. I used to always buy the Hero ones from Target as well, but you get like 12 or something and they're so expensive. This for 60, and I like that they come in like 4 individual packs, because I like leave a pack at my friend's house, I have a pack at my house, I have a pack in my travel makeup bag, so that's just so nice. So that's probably something so random to get excited about, but no way. No way. No way. No way. You guys, I got a lucky bag. This is crazy. This is so crazy to me. This is the Natasha Denona Roxa palette. No way. I'm so excited because when the Roxa palette came out, I ordered it from the Natasha Denona website, got a shipping confirmation, and then all of a sudden one day my order was just canceled. I never got the palette. I didn't know what to do. I was like, should I buy it again? It's a $69 eyeshadow palette. I paid $75 for this whole box. I'm so happy right now. I can't even tell you guys how happy I am right now because it got canceled and it was a while. You know, I got the shipping confirmation. I'm sitting there waiting. I'm like, I want to film my video. I want to film eye swatches. And one thing with being on YouTube is if you don't get new products up right away, you tend not to get like the best amount of views on it. It's like, okay, you know, is it worth it? Should I just put it in and get ready with me? I don't know. So by the time I got the cancellation and it was like, okay, this palette's not coming to me, all the videos had already been up, you know, people had kind of moved on. Natasha probably already had a new release out. And I was like, I don't know if I should still spend the $69 on the palette. I have this goal in mind to not spend as much money on makeup, not buy as much makeup. So I made the decision to not get it. This feels like, I don't know if I want to say karma, but this feels like okay, you tried to stick to your goals and here we are. Like, I know I paid $75 for the box, don't get me wrong, but it's still like, here, you guys, this is so exciting. I can't believe I got a Natasha palette. And Natasha is my favorite brand for eyeshadow formulas. This is crazy. This is crazy. I can't believe I got this. I can't believe I got this. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Anything else in this box is just like extra. It's just extra. I am super happy. So cool. Like I said, I love the Natasha Denona formula. I tend to buy all of her eyeshadow palettes. I try to do eye swatching videos. Wow, that's so cool. That's so cool. I have a discount code with Natasha. It is SAMANTHAMARCH. Did you get the Roxa palette? Okay, I'm trying like not to look. Okay, okay. This is a brush, another Sonia G brush. The Sonia G brushes are so nice and these are so expensive. Okay, so let me look. This is the Builder M brush. So this looks like a great shader brush. Let me look up. I'm looking up the prices so we can see what everything costs. So actually let me make a list of where we're at. So $8, $69, Sonia G Builder M. Okay, so this brush, this is a $32 brush. Like I said, Sonia G is expensive. It's so nice. Like, I think all of my Sonia G brushes came from either a Beautylish Lucky Bag and then I got gifted a set from a friend once and I was like, oh my gosh, $32, a stunning workhorse for fast, effortless application as a laydown brush, smudger, or definer. This is a lucky bag. Wow, that's so cool. Another Sonia G brush. Oh, I'm so excited. I think that they are so nice, but to me it's like so hard to spend $32 on one brush because this feels like maybe skincare. Ooh, is this hair care? Oh, I love this. Okay, this is from the brand Jupiter. This is a renewing scalp moisturizer to heal and hydrate. Listen, I have been talking about being on a hair journey. This has a rich, fragrance-free daily moisturizer that delivers long-lasting hydration to help heal dry scalp and protect your scalp's moisture barrier. I love this. Apply directly to damp or dry scalp daily, gently massage with fingertips. Oh, perfect. So I just shared on my Instagram my hair oiling routine that I'm going to be doing, and I mix a bunch of different hair oils together. I have a specific applicator that has like, it distributes the oil, you know, pretty evenly. I have my scalp massager. I've been using leave-in masks on my ends. I've been really trying to be on a really consistent hair journey. I use red light therapy on my hair. I've been going to scalp spas around Las Vegas to have like actual like professionals work on my hair as well. Like, I have been really trying, and I get so many comments. I see them so often saying that my hair looks good. Tomorrow is a wash day, so you know, we're kind of to the tail end here, but I wasn't planning to film today. But I just see the compliments coming in, and I thank you guys, because I know it might sound like a little thing, but as someone whose self-confidence took such a hit when I was struggling with fertility, lost so much hair, you know, it really hit my confidence and my self-esteem. And then especially it goes beyond another layer because it's like, why did I lose my hair? Because I was going through something really difficult. So just seeing my hair being so thin and so short was just always a visual reminder of what I had gone through. And it's why I got hair extensions, and then I made the decision to take them out, and instead of putting a band-aid over the problem, to really try to heal my hair naturally. And it's been a very long journey. I know for me, with someone who's tried to heal my hormones naturally and all of those things, you know, from all of the treatments that I did and medicines that I was on, it's a long journey to do something naturally, but it's been rewarding. It's been long, but it's been starting to see the rewards from it, and I think that that's very cool. So, okay. This is a $29 product, but this is going to be great to add into my routine. I love that it's fragrance free. Best for mild to moderate dry scalp, powder-like flakes, tightness, balances pH, and restores root to tip moisture. This says a must-have for true scalp nourishment and preventative care beyond the shower. It delivers lasting hydration while fortifying your scalp's natural barrier. Applies effortlessly as you would a daily face moisturizer, and reach for it just as instinctively as your favorite lip balm. I love that. Okay, so again, that one was $29. That's so cool. I feel like this box is just like catered to me right now. Like, are you joking? A Sonia G brush, a hair product, a Natasha palette, and the Good Molecules patches. I'm like, okay. Next up, we have the You are kidding me. A Wayne Goss? Wayne Goss is another brand that I've had, I think, just one other product in a Lucky Bag before, but like, again, this is why I love doing the Beautylish Lucky Bag. I get to try brands that I don't try on the regular. I typically shop at like Sephora and Ulta, Target, places like that. So this is so exciting. From Wayne Goss, this is the High Shine Gloss in Hibiscus. Ooh, this is so cute. Wow. Oh, wow. Let's give it a swatch. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a beautiful shade. Sometimes in Lucky Bags, you know, shade is going to be different for everybody's preferences, but that's beautiful. It's kind of like peachy. It's a little shimmery. So this is $22. It says the iconic 90s lip gloss reimagined with a hydrating formula and a super shiny finish. Again, I got the shade Hibiscus. I'm shook. I'm shook at this Lucky Bag. Okay, I'm gonna guess that this is the last product. Kind of feels like another, oh wow, I was gonna say palette. This is from Viseart, see? Viseart, one of the Petite Force Tyrian. I'm trying to think if I know what this one looks like, but Viseart I think is another brand that I've been able to try like one of their palettes from in the past. Oh, this is pretty. It's like a little mini Roxa palette. Stop, this is such a cute curated box. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty with the purples. Viseart is nice, but their stuff is also very expensive. Like, I'm kind of afraid to see what this one costs. Actually, this one is not as bad as I thought it would be. It's $25, which that is still a lot of money for 4 eyeshadows. Please do not get me wrong. But for some reason, I was thinking this might be even more, but they're bigger palettes. They have a variety of palettes in different sizes. But this, to me, I love this too because these are shades that I love to use. Like, it's a little bit neutral, but I also love using purples. I think purple with green eyes is so pretty. So again, this one, $25, inspired by dainty pastry delicacies. These miniature treats feature mouth-watering mattes perfectly paired with sparkling sugary shades with scrumptious eyeshadow quads. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So $25, so let me add all this up. Okay, so I got 6 products in here. So we had $8 for the Good Molecules, $69 for Natasha, $32 for the brush, $29 for the hair serum, $22 for the gloss, and $25 for the Viseart palette. That's $185. That's a pretty good Lucky Bag. That's like I'm gonna say it's a lucky bag because $185 for paying $75 is pretty good. I also, these are, I mean, this is what's like specific to me, so this is gonna be different for everybody. But the only thing that I've tried of these is the Good Molecules, but like I repurchased these. These are an absolute repurchase for me. So like, great that's there. But the Roxa palette is honestly the most exciting thing. I can't believe I got it. Then we got the little Viseart, the Wayne Goss gloss. I'm super excited to try. Love the Sonia G brushes, and this hair product just feels like so specific to what I need right now. I'm so happy that I decided to purchase this Lucky Bag because this is one of the best Lucky Bags that I have ever gotten, and I am so excited about this. So wow, I'm glad that I sat down to get this filmed because this has me pumped. Whew, did you get a lucky bag this year? Drop what you got in the comments and if you're happy with it or not, because it's always going to be so different for everybody. But for me personally, this was a mega win. It looks like we're starting 2025 off very lucky. Oh, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.